Hello, I'm hair designer Kangne. This video is simple and natural of the hairstyle, and the tutorial is provided. Start now. Plot the two-section line. Gather and twist hair the undersects together. Fix the tip with a pin while hiding hair tip inside. The twist shape doesn't have to be perfect. Make it look natural. The remaining hair bundle is inserted inside using comb and fixed with U-pin firmly. Add volume to the entire over section. Comb the hair flow cleanly. Leave where little bangs look natural. Temporarily fix with tweezers so that the shape of the over zone does not collapse. Twist so that the hair ends face down. Secure with the pin, it is better to use the pin. Put the remaining hair into the twisted hair in the underzone and fix it with a U-pin. Remove the temporarily fixed tweezers, secure it again. Loosen the hair flow little by little to make it look a little more natural. The bangs can be curled with an iron. insert the accessory that suits you. The hairstyle is complete. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.